What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be playing Fishing Planet, and we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to catch a catfish. So what I'm going to be using is a Creek Pro. You can get an 810, it doesn't matter. A size 2i hook or a 3i. I use a 3i on this one. So you're using a Creek Pro, 3i hook. We're using a small cut bait, a bell, half ounce weight, 12-pound line, Inspire Cast 2000, and that's the same on this side. For this, I've just got a rod stand. You don't need a rod stand, but it'll be better. So where I cast is that little green thing there, which is 45.28 minus 14.64. So I'll just put that up for a second, just pause the video. Okay, that'll be good enough. And then you want to set your rod stand down. By the way, if you don't have a rod stand, it's fine. You can hold it. Then you want to right click if you're a mouse, or L2 if you're on controller. And then just put it out right there. That was quite bad, but it'll do. And I'm going to be using one rod, and just wait for the fish. And drawn already. That was a bass. And drawn. Not a big one, but it's a catfish. Yeah, not big, but I'll take it. So that's how you catch a catfish in the Mudwater River. Bye.